Towin offset printing machine production workshop.
Every efficiently operating offset printing machine begins with millimeter-level precision.
Cut printer 印杯机
From discrete components to complete equipment, from static assembly to dynamic commissioning, every step embodies industrial ingenuity. The color group is the palette for color presentation. Each color group corresponds to a printing color and needs to be precisely aligned with the roller axis to ensure accurate presentation of each color ink.
Ray printer 印平面盖机
Every machine of gears and nesting of bearings are meticulously crafted. There's no such thing as almost, only an unwavering dedication to uncompromising perfection.
Tail printer 印筒机
Every assembly and commissioning is driven by the ultimate pursuit of precision.
Cut printer 印盖机
We produce more than just equipment. We also drive the efficient development at the printing industry. The details you see reflect our commitment to quality. Rulers are the heart of offset printer. Their balance, hardness, and surface smoothness directly determine the uniformity and accuracy of ink transfer. We examine not only the gorgeous patterns, but also the sharpness of the dot edges, the uniformity of the ink, and the accuracy of the colors. Every detail is the final answer to thousands of previous operations.